Charcoal! Good boy. Good boy, Charcoal. It is honestly another perfect weather evening to be out. Yeah, every time there's like a slight breeze and the temperature is just right, it's just perfect. Yeah, we never like it to be too windy. Breezy is nice. Good boy, bud. Yeah, just love seeing their happy little faces. Okay, over here, Charcoal, come on. Over here. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Yeah, so we are on the south side again, and we're at Jackie Parker Park today. So there's a big field, and then behind the field there are trails. So that's where we're eventually gonna go. Just making our way there. Good boy, Revy.